When it comes to choosing the right web hosting provider, uptime and speed are two of the most critical factors. So, in this video, we're comparing HostGator versus GoDaddy to determine which one truly offers the best uptime and speed for your website. Let's dive right into it. First off, uptime is a major factor in website reliability. If your website goes down, you lose visitors and potential sales. Both HostGator and GoDaddy promise 99.9% uptime, which sounds great on paper. But the reality can be a bit different. HostGator has had mixed reviews over the years when it comes to uptime. While they do offer solid performance most of the time, there are reports from users about occasional outages or slow responses when problems arise. In contrast, GoDaddy's uptime has been fairly consistent, with fewer reports of outages. They tend to handle issues faster than HostGator, though it's worth noting that both services have had their fair share of downtime. Next thing to consider is speed. Speed is crucial because if your website loads slowly, you risk losing visitors. So, how do they stack up? HostGator offers decent speed overall, with average load times around 700 milliseconds, which is pretty solid for most websites. However, some users report inconsistent speeds during peak traffic periods. GoDaddy, on the other hand, has a slight edge here, offering faster average load times at around 600 milliseconds. But here's the kicker: when traffic increases, GoDaddy's speed can fluctuate more, sometimes leading to delays. Both services are fast for the most part, but neither is perfect under heavy load. The third thing to talk about is pricing. HostGator offers budget-friendly plans, especially if you're just starting out, but their renewal prices can be a bit steep. So, if you're planning to use HostGator for the long term, be prepared for higher rates after the first term. GoDaddy's pricing is similar, but they offer more premium options like VPS hosting that are faster and more reliable for larger sites. However, those come at a higher cost. The fourth thing to look at is customer support. When issues pop up, you want a host with great support, right? HostGator's customer service is generally good, offering 24/7 support, but there are mixed reviews about wait times, especially during busy periods. GoDaddy's support is hit or miss. Some users swear by it, claiming they get quick, knowledgeable help, while others complain about long wait times and inconsistent service. So while both companies offer 24/7 support, it's clear that neither is perfect. And now for a real-world scenario. When I tested both providers myself, HostGator performed decently on uptime and speed, but I did notice that their servers sometimes got sluggish during high traffic times. GoDaddy, on the other hand, was generally faster but could struggle when there was a surge in visitors, especially on shared hosting plans. Both HostGator and GoDaddy are solid choices for many users, but after testing them extensively, I believe there's a better alternative for those focused specifically on uptime and speed. So if you want to make sure your website is fast, reliable, and always available to visitors, I highly recommend checking out the link in the description. Through our exclusive link, you'll get the best free trial and some benefits that are only available to our viewers. In the end, the decision comes down to what fits your needs best. HostGator and GoDaddy are both reliable, but if you're after the absolute best uptime and speed, there's a superior option out there, and I'm excited for you to try it. Make sure to grab your free trial today.